Adria Coral XL. The Adria Coral XL is a large and luxurious motorhome designed for families, groups, or anyone who wants plenty of space and comfort while traveling. With its overcab, alcoven design, it offers extra room for sleeping and living, making it feel like a home on wheels. Inside, the Coral XL is bright and inviting thanks to large panoramic windows that fill the space with natural light. The living area is spacious, with a comfortable dinette and seating for up to 7 people. Entertainment is easy with a multimedia wall, TV space, and a hidden speaker system, so everyone can relax and enjoy the journey. The kitchen is practical and well-equipped with plenty of countertop space, storage, and modern appliances for cooking on the road. Sleeping areas include a fixed overcab bed, plus flexible layouts that can accommodate extra guests. There's also clever storage throughout, from overhead cupboards to wardrobes, so you can bring everything you need without clutter. Airstream E-Stream Concept. The Airstream E-Stream Concept is a futuristic, fully electric travel trailer that shows what the next generation of RVs could look like. While it's still a concept and not yet available for sale, it combines cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and modern comfort to create a new way to travel. Built by Airstream and Thor Industries, the E-Stream is designed to work seamlessly with electric tow vehicles, making it easier and more efficient to take on the road. One of its coolest features is remote control movement. You can park or position the trailer without needing the tow vehicle, which makes backing into tight campsites stress-free. It also has electric motors on the wheels to help with towing and improve efficiency. The trailer comes with a high-capacity battery system that powers all the appliances, air conditioning, and electronics inside. Solar panels on the roof help recharge the batteries while parked, making it perfect for off-grid adventures. Cube Series Camper. The Cube Series Camper is a compact, clever travel trailer designed for adventurers who want comfort without extra bulk. Its box-shaped design makes it light, easy to tow, and highly practical, perfect for couples, small families, or solo travelers who want a simple yet cozy home on wheels. Inside, the Cube Series Camper makes the most of every inch. It features a comfortable seating area that can convert into a bed, a small but functional kitchenette with a sink and fridge, and smart storage solutions to keep all your gear organized. The layout is designed to be simple, efficient, and highly usable, giving you everything you need for camping or long road trips without wasted space. One of the biggest advantages is how light and easy to tow it is. You can pull it with many mid-sized vehicles, and it handles tight turns and narrow roads effortlessly. When parked, the interior feels cozy and functional, making it ideal for weekend getaways, park adventures, or long cross-country trips. Overall, the Cube Series Camper is perfect for travelers who want a practical, comfortable, and easy-to-handle camper. Its smart design, lightweight build, and functional interior make it a fun and stress-free way to explore, live, and enjoy life on the road. CyberLandr Reveal. The CyberLandr is a futuristic and innovative truck camper designed to fit perfectly with the Tesla Cybertruck, turning it into a tiny, fully equipped home on wheels. When you're driving, the camper stays hidden in the truck bed, keeping the truck sleek, aerodynamic, and easy to park. It doesn't affect the Cybertruck's performance, so you can still drive into garages or drive-thrus without problems. When you stop, the CyberLandr expands with the push of a button into a complete living space. Inside, you'll find a kitchen with an induction cooktop, sink, and fridge, a bathroom with a shower and dry flush toilet, a cozy bedroom, a comfortable lounge, and even a workspace. Everything is designed to make camping or traveling feel effortless and luxurious. The camper also includes smart features like transforming chairs that become a queen-size bed, a 32-inch 4K TV with satellite internet, and solar panels on the roof that provide off-grid power for lights, appliances, and even charging your truck. Dembel Motorhomes. Dembel Motorhomes are ultra-luxury vehicles designed for people who want to travel in comfort and style. Built on strong Mercedes-Benz Actros truck chassis, these motorhomes are powerful, stable, and feel more like a floating yacht on wheels than a regular RV. They are perfect for long trips, full-time travel, or anyone who wants a mobile luxury home. Inside, Dembel motorhomes are like a high-end apartment. You'll find spacious living areas, fully equipped kitchens, comfortable bedrooms, and modern bathrooms. The interiors are designed with premium materials, elegant finishes, and smart layouts, making every corner feel luxurious and practical. Slide-out sections expand the space even more once you park, giving you extra room to move and relax. One of the standout features is the built-in garage, which can hold a small car or even a sports car, depending on the model. Dembel also focuses on self-sufficiency with large water tanks, solar panels, advanced electrical systems, and plenty of storage, so you can stay off-grid comfortably for days. With its sleek exterior design, smooth driving experience, and thoughtful interiors, a Dembel motorhome combines freedom, luxury, and innovation. It lets you explore new places while enjoying the comfort of a high-end home on wheels, making every journey unforgettable. Double pop-outs. Double pop-outs are an amazing feature in modern motorhomes and RVs that instantly give you more living space without making your vehicle bigger on the road. When you're driving, the camper stays compact and easy to handle. But when you park, these two sections slide out from the sides, creating a much larger and more comfortable interior. One pop-out usually expands the living room or kitchen, giving you plenty of space to cook, eat, and relax. The other pop-out often enlarges the bedroom or dining area, making the camper feel much more like a real home. With both sections extended, the interior feels open, airy, and inviting, perfect for families or long trips. Double pop-outs are easy to use, powered by electric or hydraulic systems, so you can extend or retract them at the push of a button. They're designed to stay secure, insulated, and weatherproof, keeping you comfortable in hot or cold conditions. Yitong is a modern company from China that creates innovative, portable tiny homes that can be placed almost anywhere. These homes, often called space capsule houses, are built in factories, fully finished, and then delivered to your site. This means you can skip long construction times and messy building work while still getting a stylish, ready-to-use living space. Yitong homes are designed to be smart, flexible, and durable. They use strong metal structures and quality materials to handle different weather conditions, keeping the interior safe, comfortable, and cozy. You can use them in many ways: as a tiny home, guest house, vacation cabin, office, resort unit, or even a mobile Airbnb. The modular design makes it easy to customize each unit to fit your needs. Expandable container 30 feet. The 30 feet expandable container is a clever solution for anyone who needs extra space without a permanent building. On the road or in storage, it stays compact like a regular shipping container. But when you need more room, parts of the container slide or fold out, instantly creating a larger interior. This makes it perfect for mobile offices, pop-up shops, workshops, or even temporary living spaces. These containers are made from strong steel, so they can handle rough transport and bad weather while keeping your items safe. When expanded, they provide plenty of space for furniture, equipment, or workstations, giving you a comfortable and practical environment. Many expandable containers can be customized with windows, doors, insulation, electricity, and even air conditioning, making them ready for any purpose. The best part is their flexibility. You can move them easily, set them up quickly, and expand or close them depending on your needs. They turn a simple, compact container into a versatile and durable space that adapts to both work and living requirements. Fox eMobility Mia 2.0. The Fox eMobility Mia 2.0 is a compact, fully electric vehicle designed for modern city life. It's the next-generation version of the original Mia microcar, updated with modern technology, a fresh look, and better performance. Small in size but clever in design, it's perfect for commuting, running errands, or making deliveries in tight city streets. Inside, the Mia 2.0 is surprisingly spacious. Its clever layout includes sliding doors and flexible seating, allowing room for passengers or cargo as needed. The driver sits in a central position for better visibility and control, while the lightweight design ensures easy maneuvering in busy urban areas. Powered by an efficient battery, the Mia 2.0 can travel around 200 to 300 kilometers on a single charge, and there's an option for a second battery to go even farther. Despite its small size, it comes with modern safety features like ESP, ABS, and blind spot assist, keeping both driver and passengers secure. The Mia 2.0 is built to be affordable, eco-friendly, and fun to drive. It combines smart design, electric efficiency, and practical features, making city travel cleaner and easier than ever. The Genius House Booty is a modern and stylish floating home that lets you enjoy the comfort of a house while living on the water. It's designed for people who want a peaceful, flexible, and unique lifestyle, whether on a lake, river, or canal. This houseboat combines the freedom of boating with the convenience and comfort of a real home. Inside, it feels just like a regular house, with a cozy living room, fully equipped kitchen, comfortable bedroom, and modern bathroom. Large windows and outdoor decks let in plenty of natural light and provide amazing views of the water and surroundings. Many models also include smart energy solutions, solar panels, and modern furnishings, so you can enjoy a self-sufficient and relaxed lifestyle. The Genius Houseboat is perfect for weekend getaways, vacation homes, or even full-time living. Its design makes it easy to move to different locations, explore new waterways, and enjoy nature up close. With a Genius Houseboat, every day feels like a retreat. Holon Mover. The Holon Mover is a fully electric, self-driving shuttle designed to make city transportation smarter, safer, and more accessible. Developed by Holon, part of the Bentiller Group, it's built to carry people efficiently in urban areas while reducing emissions and traffic congestion. Unlike regular buses, the Holon Mover drives itself using advanced autonomous technology, navigating roads safely at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour. It can carry up to 15 passengers, making it ideal for ride-sharing, on-demand transport, or scheduled city routes. Its design focuses on inclusion and accessibility, featuring wide double-wing doors, an automatic ramp for wheelchairs, secured spaces for mobility devices, and audio-visual aids to help all passengers travel comfortably. The Holon Mover also prioritizes sustainability. Being fully electric, it produces zero emissions, helping cities cut pollution while offering a quiet, smooth ride. First unveiled at CES 2023, the vehicle is expected to enter production around 2025, with plans for factories in the USA, Europe, and Saudi Arabia. In short, the Holon Mover represents the future of urban mobility, a clean, safe, and convenient way for people of all abilities to get around. Houseboat Classic 180. The Houseboat Classic 180 is a spacious and luxurious floating home designed for people who love living or traveling on the water in comfort. Unlike a typical boat, it's built more like a house, offering large living spaces, cozy bedrooms, a full kitchen, and modern bathrooms. This makes it perfect for weekend getaways, long cruises, or even full-time life on the water. Measuring about 15 meters long and 7 meters wide, the Classic 180 provides plenty of room to relax and entertain. Large windows let in natural light and give beautiful panoramic views of rivers, lakes, or the sea. Some models come with a built-in engine, allowing you to move the houseboat yourself and explore new locations, while others stay docked as a permanent floating home. The design focuses on comfort, style, and practicality, with smart layouts and outdoor deck spaces for enjoying fresh air, socializing, or simply relaxing while watching the water. Hymer Venture S. The Hymer Venture S is a next-level adventure motorhome made for people who love exploring without giving up comfort or style. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4, it is designed to handle rough roads, off-road trails, and long journeys with confidence. This motorhome is perfect for travelers who want to go beyond campsites and enjoy true freedom. One of the most impressive features of the Venture S is its inflatable pop-up roof, which creates a spacious upper sleeping area. A proper staircase leads to the bed, making it feel like a small luxury loft rather than a typical camper. Inside, the design is modern and smart, with large glass panels that give panoramic views and fill the space with natural light. The interior feels more like a stylish tiny home than an RV. Jaguar Eye Pod. The Jaguar Eye Pod is an exciting concept from Jaguar Land Rover that explores the future of self-driving cars. It's not a car you can buy, but a research vehicle designed to understand how humans interact with autonomous vehicles. What makes it unique are the large, virtual eyes on the front, which use LEDs to look at pedestrians. This clever feature lets people know the pod has seen them and plans to stop or avoid them, making driverless technology feel safer and more trustworthy. JB Blackstone. The JB Blackstone is a high-end, custom vehicle designed for people who want a combination of luxury, practicality, and style on the road. Though details may vary depending on the build, it's typically crafted to offer a premium experience, whether for travel, leisure, or professional use. Inside, the JB Blackstone feels more like a home on wheels than a regular vehicle. It usually includes comfortable seating, a fully equipped kitchen, modern bathroom facilities, and cozy sleeping areas. Every feature is designed for convenience and comfort, making it perfect for long trips or even full-time life on the road. Premium materials and thoughtful layouts ensure the space feels spacious, stylish, and functional. For storage and practicality, the JB Blackstone often includes smart compartments and storage solutions for equipment, luggage, or even vehicles, depending on the model. It's built to handle the demands of travel while keeping everything organized and accessible. Safety and performance are also a focus, with a strong chassis, reliable engine, and smooth driving experience, making it easy to travel long distances with confidence. In short, the JB Blackstone is perfect for anyone looking for a luxury, versatile, and comfortable travel vehicle. It blends modern design, advanced features, and practicality to make every journey enjoyable, relaxing, and stylish.